Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today we're going to stake together. We're going to look for the opportunity on launch pool on Bybit. Okay, so before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so all you just need to do right now is to log into your Bybit account. Make sure you have a verified Bybit account. So if you log into your Bybit account, you're going to click on more. It will bring you to an interface of this very nature. Okay, so the next thing you just need to do is to navigate yourself to this launch poll. Okay, so you're going to open this launch poll, right? So after you open the launch pool, you're going to go into stake. So any coin that is about to be listed will be on this launch pool, or even though it's listed, the staking will still continue for like a week or less, or even more than a week. Okay, so in launch pool here, all you just need to do is to come to stake a particular coin that is available on this launch pool in order for you to get a share after the activity is over. Okay, on this first list, there is what we call a ZKL. You can stake a ZKL, right? So there are two here. You can see this one is ongoing, it's still ongoing, highly viable. You can see the durations: 5 days, 16 hours, 17 minutes, 02 seconds, right? So if you stake today, you're going to wait until 5 days. So you look at this countdown until this countdown is over. So the moment this countdown is over, you will now be able to take your share. Okay, so look at this place. What is the price pool here? The price pool is ZKL. What is the price pool volume? 7 million coins. That's 7 million ZKL coins. You can see the APR here. The APR highly large, 704%. Okay, staking period. The staking period is what is roughly is 5 days. That is from 22nd to 29. 7, 8, 9. Yeah, roughly 7 days. Okay, so this staking has been going on for like 2 days now, because the total is 7 days and 5 days left. It has been going on for like 2 days now. Okay, and the staking ends in this. Okay, so after the staking ends, everything, your own share will be distributed to you. Your money will not be tempered, your money will not be altered. Nothing will be altered. Okay, nothing at all will be altered. All you just need to do, you stake. After the whole thing, you will be given a share of this 7 million. Okay, of this 7 million ZKL, right? Okay, you can as well stake aside from the ZKL, you can as well stake MNT, still the same thing. Okay, you can as well stake MNT on this same journey. So stake MNT to earn ZKL. If you stake MNT, you earn ZKL. Okay, there is still another, which is USDT pool. So you stake USDT and ZKL. You can see the total price pool here is 3.5 million. Okay, the total staked is 104 already. The total participants is 76,000 people. Wow. 76,000 sharing 3.5 million. Okay, let's go to see this next one. Okay, let's go to see the other one, right? So the other ones, how many? What is the price pool? 1.4. Okay, so the highest price pool here, okay, is the USDT pool. So for me, I want to stake on the USDT pool. You know why? Okay, you know why? Because USDT is a constant coin. Okay, it's a constant currency. It doesn't fluctuate. One is one. That's why I want to stake this USDT. Because if you stake MNT, maybe the current price of MNT, if it goes down, your capital will be a bit poor. So applicable to ZKL, but the choices are all yours. So if you want to stake MNT, you need to convert your USDT to MNT, or you use your USDT to buy MNT. Then you cannot be able to what? To convert it. Okay. So without waste of time, let's quickly dive into it to see how we can run this on our own. All right. So I'm going to click on the stake because as I said earlier, I'm going to stake USDT. Okay. I'm going to click on stake. So after clicking on the stake, I will wait. Okay, I will wait. So my available balance here is on 0. That is because my fund is on what? That is because my fund is on unified trading account. So I'll go back now to move this fund. And I'll also show you what you need to do to get MNT. Okay, so let's quickly go back there. So coming back here, if you want to use like MNT, if you want to stake MNT, you come to this place to search for MNT. Okay, search for MNT. If you search for MNT, you come to this place and trade MNT against USDT. Okay, you just click on buy. If you buy like 50 on, then you can go back there to stake. The same thing applicable to ZKL. If you want to stake ZKL, okay. If you want to stake ZKL, you do the same thing. So what really brought us here is to move my money to the funding wallet. Okay, so I'll click on asset. I've done all this video before though. Click on transfer. I'll switch here. Okay, and take the volume that I needed to take. Okay, I'll choose USDT here. No, I'll choose USDT here because USDT is what I want to move. So I'll come to this place. I'll say how much I want to use. I want to use, let's just say 50 and just use something small. I'll go to stake 50, right? All right. So I will go back there now quickly. I've showed you this process already, so I don't need to do it small. So I'll go back there quickly to go and proceed on what I want to stake. As I said, I want to stake USDT. Okay, so coming to this place now, you cannot see my volume is now available here. Okay, USDT. So I'm going to click on this max because I want to stake everything. The minimum staking is 100 USDT. Wow, the minimum is 100 USDT, right? Okay, let's go. I'll go to stake 100 USDT. Right, I'll come to stake 100 USDT. Let me get the money prepared. So having completed the USDT to 100, I'll come back to stake again. Right, I'll stake the USDT pool. So coming to this very place now, you can see my total volume is appearing here. Right, start volume is appearing here. So I will click on this. I'll click on this marks. Okay, I'll now click on this. Then the next thing I just need to do is to click on confirm. But before clicking on confirm, I will check all this. The calculation starts when? On the 24th. Okay, calculation starts on the 24th. Today is actually 23rd, right? Today is 23rd, so my calculation starts tomorrow. The time is UTC. The total stake is 104 million for now. You understand? So I'm going to join this number of people now. Let's see what I will earn after 5 days. So after 5 days, we'll come back here to do the same thing and see what we have earned. Okay, so on this now, I'll click on this, confirm. Okay, successfully staked. Okay, staked amount, my staked amount is what? 100 USDT. Okay, my staked amount is 100 USDT, and the calculating starts tomorrow. As I said earlier, the distribution starts on the 25th. Wow, so the distribution will start on the what? On the 25th. Okay, so if you want to stake more, you click on this. If you want to view orders, you click on this. All right, so I think this brings us to the end of this very amazing video. So if you do find value from this amazing content, please do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.